No one in the horological world can escape Timex. It's true, of course. Why would you want to escape them? They're an inexpensive way to wear a piece of timekeeping history on your wrist, with durability at standard fare for modern quartz watches. On a historical note, Timex has a story that stretches back to 1854. That means there are over 150 years of design work built into the brand. Arguably, many of their greatest designs came out of the 1960s and 1970s. Now, we have covered the Timex Q re-release, which was originally released in 1972, but another mid-century redux has appeared in recent years, the Timex Marlin. With an updated mechanical movement, sleek stainless steel case, and leather strap design, it drips classic flair. With the special release, a particular special edition Marlin dropped featuring the Good Man star of Charles Schultz's Peanuts series. Indeed, old Charlie Brown makes a featured appearance on this 1960s wristwatch style. Ahead, we're going to dish on some specifics regarding this well-timed holiday release. On the Fly A Kite Edition, Charlie Brown can be seen wordly flying a kite on the dial of this limited edition Marlin. The crystal is a domed acrylic, magnifying his plight of flight, a design aspect that's very 60s. However, instead of sporting any Arabic numerals for the hours, it's all tick-marked. Where the original Marlin has a bit of an Art Deco feel on the numerals, Charlie's exclusive gets a bit of a modern twist. The small date window is a fine utilitarian touch. As well, an automatic movement versus a manual wind is a modern pick up and go feature that's refreshing for the update. Speaking on the movement, there's a back crystal for viewing the wind in action, so there's plenty of wind to go around for Charlie Brown with an over 30-hour power reserve, sure to keep his kite in the air for some time, as long as it stays worn. With bright lights and wish lists getting written up, this Marlin reissue makes for a good holiday gift for the wristwatch fan in the family. It's a classic mechanical piece at a much more affordable price than other similar watches on the market. With a simply stated homage to an American cartoon classic with its own classic American flair, the Peanuts Timex Marlin series is sure to be a people pleaser. If you buy it for yourself, we promise not to tell anyone. Certainly, we've all been good enough this year to have access to such a gem of a piece. And on a final note, happy horological hunting and holidays from us here at Time's Ticking.